reference, bro, I've done everything. I've done every biohacking stack. I've done every real drug, fucking coke, molly, ecstasy, real drugs, all the biohacking stuff. I've done everything. And Sabre is still extraordinarily impressive. Right? It's about the most you can do without venturing into gray area stuff.
Yeah. Neurotransmitting stuff.
Yeah.
Even things that are cleared, but just things that, okay, you can't take this every day. Like, if you take too much of this, there's negative effects.
It sounds kind of chemically, right? Alpha GPC, what the fuck is that? Let me break it down. It is a cholinergic agent. So in your brain, you have several systems. One of the systems that is mainly responsible for memory retention and like literally just the speed of your brain working and neurons firing. The nicotinic cholinergic system, right? Nicotine, right? That's how nicotine works. It works on the cholinergic system. That's why you get a cognitive benefit from nicotine. That's why nicotine prevents Alzheimer's. And alpha GPC works on the same system. I think a lot of people don't know exactly what alpha GPC is, right? That boosts your choline levels in the brain. So I'm not going to say that it's nicotine. It's not, but it works on the same system and has very similar effects to nicotine as far as memory enhancement and, you know, general cognitive enhancement, just moving faster in your brain, neurons firing faster. You're just sharper. You can speak a little more fluently. You can remember things a little faster. I mean, I personally, the first time I took Sabre, I remembered being in the womb. It was crazy.
Andrew Huberman, you have 24 hours to respond. Reese has more information than you. You're